Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to link Claude AI with Higgsfield MCP so you can use Higgsfield directly through Claude. So let's get started. So you're going to start by opening Claude and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the navigation menu and head to the Customize section. From the options on the left side, select Connectors to view your available connections. Next, click the plus icon near the top of the page and choose Add Custom Connector. You'll now be asked to enter the connector information. So in the name field, you can enter Higgsfield MCP or any name you'd like to use for the connection. In a separate browser tab, you're going to visit the Higgsfield MCP page and locate the MCP server URL provided for Claude connections. Next, you're going to copy the MCP URL and return to Claude. Paste the URL into the connector configuration field and review the information before continuing. After that, click Add Connector to create the connection inside Claude. Once the connector has been added, you'll see a Connect button beside it. Click Connect and follow the authorization process to grant Claude access to your Higgsfield account. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign in and approve the requested permissions. After authorization is completed, Claude will establish the connection automatically. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see a status indicator showing that the connector is active and connected. At this point, Claude can use Higgsfield through the MCP connection whenever you request actions that require it.